So I hope you had a great week practicing the arch walk. In this class number 2, we are going to learn the first position, which is called opening the doors. So whenever you start a practice, you start by doing the arch walk a couple of times to warm up, and then you start the forms, okay? We're going to go, in each class, we're going to go straight to the forms, but that does not mean you should not practice the loosening, which the video for the loosening is in our channel, or you should have access to it, and the arch walk. Those are the first 2 parts of any practice, okay? So now let's go into the first position. And the first position, we're going to do a 7 count, okay? So the 7 count is 1, feet together. 2, bend your knees. Okay, so I'll do that again. 1, hands close to your body, and they shouldn't be relaxed. And when they're relaxed, your fingers are kind of like bent. They shouldn't be tense either. They can't be nor tense nor relaxed. They have to be against the body in a middle point. Okay? Second, our head should be straight. So if you do an arch between both your ears, the middle point of the arch should be with the heavens. That's how the teacher would say. My teacher would always say, Peihui, with the heaven as much as you can. Okay, so feet together, arms to the side. 1, you're straight. This is position number 1. Feet together. It's not a little bit separate. No, very well together. Okay, this is the universe before there was yin yang. This is what you're manifesting when you have a straight position. Okay, so 1, you're straight. 2, you bend your knees. 3, you touch with your left toe. 4, you put your heel on the ground without weight. So my weight is still 100% on my right leg. Okay, so let's try that again. 1, you're straight. 2, bend your knees. 3, touch with the toe parallel. One point should be parallel with the other. It shouldn't be forward, it shouldn't be back, it should be parallel, okay? And it shouldn't be too wide, not wider than the shoulder. Shoulder width is good enough, so it should be comfortable, okay? So 1, you're straight. 2, bend your knees. 3, touch with the toe. 4, touch with the heel. 5, center your weight. 6, both palms go up looking at each other. And 7, palms face the ground, okay? As you can see, my wrist never bent. This never happened because this is popular style Tai Chi Chuan. No, in our style, classical Yang style, both hands look at each other and your shoulders should be low and palms down. Okay, so it's 7 steps. Let's try that again, okay? Feet together, arms to the side. 1, 2, 3, touch the toe. 4, heel to the ground. 5, center your weight. 6, palms go up. And 7, palms face down, okay? That's the first position, okay? Let's try it again. 1, you're straight. Hands aren't rigid nor relaxed. 2, bend the knees. 3, touch with the toe. 4, touch with the heel. 5, center your weight. Now you feel the weight on both legs. 6, palms go up. And 7, palms face down, okay? Let's try that again. 1, you're straight. 2, bend your knees. 3, touch the toe. 4, touch the heel. 5, center your weight. 6, palms go up, facing each other. When they're shoulder height, 7, palms go down, face down. Okay? Now, when you're going to finish your practice, and I'm going to walk closer so you can see this. When you finish your practice and your palms are here, men, you imagine a lot of energy from your dantian, that means 4 fingers under your belly button, and you're going to grab your palm and you're going to press on the center of your palm, right hand over your left hand, and you're going to swallow saliva when it comes. So I did position number 7, and I'm going to finish. I inhale, I exhale, and I swallow saliva. Women, left hand over the right hand and press the center of the palm. 4 fingers under your belly button and swallow saliva. Okay? So let's try that again. 1 through 7 with the ending. 1, you're straight. 2, bend your knees. 3, touch with the toe. 4, touch with the heel. 5, center your weight. 6, palms go up. And 7, palms face down. When you're done, men, right hand over the left hand, press the center of your palm, swallow saliva, and feel the saliva going 4 inches below your belly button. Okay? Now, that is what in Tai Chi is called doing it with wounds. This is going to be your practice for the next 7 days with the arch walk that you were practicing for the past 7 days. What should you do in your 7 days of practice? That's my crew, camera crew, my wife and my son. Thank you for being here. I want you to practice taking away the wounds. What does taking away the wounds? Wounds means you're like a little robot. You're doing 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7. That is known as having wounds, like when a person is wounded. You need to take away the wounds. What does taking away the wounds mean? It means that you have 7 days to do it every day, at least 5 minutes, and that you focus on doing it very slow so you cannot differentiate one position from the other little by little. So what does that look like? Okay, at the beginning, I'm thinking of the positions. But now I'm going to count. But I'm going to move very slow. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And I'm going to finish. Inhale, exhale, swallow saliva. Okay? That's going to be your practice for this week. Trying to take away the wounds as much as you can. I'm going to do it one last time, and hopefully you can practice this for the next 7 days. Okay, thank you for coming to class number 2. Next week, we're going to add a new step. Hopefully, you can practice this for this week with the arch walk that we did last class, incorporating position number 1. Thank you.